now they're gonna make that's up the replay right now. Yeah.
Let me ask you, Nick, is there any way that we can't have them on the not just a point on one part, but there's a point that.
Oh, yeah, no, I cannot. Okay.
There wasn't no space, but you already see here's fruit across the street.
We continue to have to be over there at the end of the day. Just trying to change
You're enjoying yourself, huh?
Hell yeah.
Getting that content in.
Right. You know, that and just enjoying the vibe.
What do you think about this?
Man, I love it.
This is all forces the budget. That is an
OEM looking swap, bro. You got
It's
a
one.
clean
It's
ass
virtually a
engine
bolt-on.
bay, bro.
It's virtually a bolt-on.
Bro, I've never seen a swap with a clean ass engine bay like this.
Very little modification.
Interesting, bro. I fuck with this. Bro, you got all the space in the world to throw anything on this bit.
Yeah. I mean that. So this motor NA on it produces like I don't know, like 200 horsepower, but it holds boost on the motor. It's a M50 single one.
Yeah, no, bro, that's crazy. That's a clean swap. It looks OEM.
Thank you, Dad. I'm just driving it around now, making sure everything's good. If it drives good for like a week, then I'll clean all the swap.
Oh, that is fine as fuck.
Custom rag top. I see you.
That's just fine.
I gotta get the motor for it because it's fucked. That's why it doesn't close all the way.
That shit is fine. Despite that, bro, that shit is fine.
That's an OEM option for this shit.
Yeah, no, bro.
Oh, the rag top?
Yeah.
Word?
Yeah, it's a California top, it's called. This is a 318 Ti. It's like a E36 compact.
Word?
I've never
I
heard
should
of
like
that
that
being an
shit.
option.
Yeah,
That's
it's a
crazy.
little hatch.
Right.
A full, like,
It doesn't have, it's not a, like a normal truck. It's
Yeah, because it goes all the way back. Right. I fucks with it.
yeah, that's crazy.
318 body with a big motor. I see you. I fucks with it.
That's the other thing is like, I also did the whole rear end and I put a 373, so pretty quick. It doesn't have top end, you feel me? It tops out like 145.
Hey, that's pretty
But
good though.
it gets there pretty quick though.
Right. Hey, to be NA,
Yeah.
you know, you can't complain at all, man.
It's clean. Yeah, that's clean. When I saw it, bro, I was like, damn, it looks OEM is like as could be.
Yeah. I just wait till I finish fucking tucking all the wires in.
And it's got a nice wire tuck. Yeah.
Everything that I was sure of, tucked. Everything that I'm still, playing around with is still off.
That's the one thing I haven't done. I did the swaps, but I haven't ever, done the tucking
The
of anything.
cleanup. You just
I've
drive.
ran it ever since, bro.
That's funny, bro. I used to be the same. I used to even gut my cars when I was fucking younger.